So a good example is a delivery driver, right? They're delivering packages while on work. Car accident happens, right? Rear-ended by a semi-truck in traffic on I-5. Not only is there a workers' comp claim, injury at work, obviously, but also we can sue the semi-driver, and there's no cap on damages for that. So we can get policy limits and beyond on that. And then finally, say for the sake of argument that the employer decides that once the individual is injured, they can't work again, and they rift the position. We can also sue the employer for L&I retaliation. And we've seen in many cases that the underlying employment law claim is actually far outweighs even the injury law claim and the workers' comp claim. So what we're always doing is we're grabbing our team of experts and we're really trying to pinpoint all the claims we can bring. Because if we're successful analyzing the claim, then we're not just bringing claims in front of the Board of Industrial Insurance Appeals. We're not just bringing a workers' comp claim. We're bringing a workers' comp claim, yeah. But we're also bringing an injury law claim in state court. And we're also bringing a state or federal law claim for an employment law violation. And together, that far exceeds the underlying workers' comp claim almost every time. I'd say a significant portion of workers' comp cases also give rise to other types of claims, such as employment law claims. It's far more common than people think. And it happens all the time when people have come to us and they say, I have an L&I claim, or I was working with this attorney or that attorney, and it wasn't working out. Can you help me? And we say, yeah, and by the way, did you know that you have all these other claims that we can bring on your behalf? Did you know that these claims far outweigh the underlying workers' comp claim that you had? I think anyone who's considering hiring an attorney for the L&I claim should look for a firm that can also analyze not only L&I, but also injury law, and most importantly, employment law. I don't know any other law firms that exist in Washington State that do workers' comp and employment law, but I can tell you that we have a staff of very sophisticated attorneys that work in both of these areas of law, and we'll always spot these. We spot them because it's what we do. And once we spot them, we go at them tooth and nail, because we found in so many cases that we can deliver unsurpassed results for workers' comp clients if we can pursue the employment law claim. A lot of times, clients have no idea how good we can do for them by pursuing that employment law claim alongside the workers' comp claim. And the reason why is because it carries attorney's fees. The reason why is because the damages are tied, in some cases, to emotional suffering and lost pay. And those sort of factors ratchet up the claim and give us the ability to provide a lot of value for clients that wasn't there previously. All it takes is the right analysis by the right team.